If you are a beginner trader and you want to become successful in trading, one thing which you need to look at is what is your time availability. Because certain setups require you to be present during the opening time period. The ideal way to trade them is only if you are available during the signal period. And that signal might be at any time, it might be in afternoon or it might be in evening. So if your lifestyle or working conditions do not allow you to be present when there should be an ideal entry on those systems or those setups, and you try and trade that, it is not going to work. You need to find a setup or a trading method which is suitable to your time commitment. Methods like day trading methods, methods like swing trading methods, even methods like options require you to be babysitting your positions many times, because those positions can increase your profitability if you are present at the right time to close the trade or to enter the trade at the right time. If you are not there, then you're going to miss an opportunity. So it's extremely critical before you follow anybody or start trading a setup to think through, do I have the time to do this? Many people are working people. During COVID-19, they had the luxury of sitting at home and doing trading, which was a different period. Now many of them are going back to office, or many of them are in a Zoom meeting when the signal comes in. So can you realistically trade a setup which involves a lot of decision making, dynamic decision making? Is a question which you need to ask. You need to find setups which will suit your personality. If you are not going to be one of those person who can find setups at the right time, only way option which is available to is to enter next day, then you need to modify the setup idea, or you need to find and research a setup idea which will suit that kind of a approach, like pullback kind of methods or anticipation kind of method might be better off for those people, or even buying ETFs or buy and hold kind of a thing selectively might be better. And this is something which people are trying to force their time commitment on a setup. I see many times like they cannot really enter so at the right time, so they enter late, and when you enter late, the setup is not going to work. So the setup is not going to wait for your time commitment. So best in your own interest is to select a method right from the beginning which is going to fit your time commitment, and that way you can become profitable very quickly.